Auscultation Snippets. Rogers Area. Fourth left intercostal space, left sternal edge, where the murmur of small ventricular septal defect, maladie de Roger, is best heard. Earps Area or point, third left intercostal space, left sternal edge, also called second aortic area, where the murmur of aortic regurgitation is best heard. Gibsons Area, first left intercostal space, left sternal edge, where the Gibson's murmur, continuous murmur of patent ductus arteriosus, is best heard. How many phases does the pericardial rub have? Pericardial rub is triphasic, systolic, diastolic and atrial systolic. Sometimes only one or two phases may be heard. Pericardial rub is known to be evanescent. Summation gallop. When S3 and S4 occurs together, as in left ventricular failure with tachycardia, it is called summation gallop or even sometimes as S7 gallop. Multiple clicks in mitral valve prolapse. Multiple clicks are supposed to occur due to the asynchronous movement of multiple scallops of the floppy mitral valve, especially that of the posterior leaflet. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.